Welcome! In front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR main row, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the phone notifications on your watch or notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Fossil Smartwatches application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Fossil application and the iPhone to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down to the list of applications, and on this list find the Fossil Smartwatches application. Once you find it, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, contacts is enabled, and tap on notifications and enable the allow notifications. After you enable all three options, go back to the main page of settings, scroll all the way up, and tap on the Bluetooth option. And here you should see the Fossil Hybrid HR on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it and make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings, and now we can open the Fossil Smartwatches application on our iPhone. That is paired with our watch, of course. In the app, you can scroll through this category called For You, find the option called My Preferences or Setup Notifications. If you don't see Setup Notifications, you can tap on My Preferences and tap on Notifications. And here we can customize the settings for our notifications. We have two categories, apps and contacts. In the apps category, you can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps, but as you can see, the list is empty for now. This list will fill in after you install the application and receive some notifications on your iPhone. So for example, I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord right now. We should receive the notification on our iPhone. We got it. Okay, so we got the notification. And now, once you got the notification from the app, it should appear on the list. So we're gonna reopen the application. Tap on Preferences, Notifications. As you can see, Discord is here right now because after we install the app, we receive the notification from Discord, and basically the app will appear right here. So you need to wait until this list fill in. And if you don't see the notification, or rather the application right here on the list, wait until you receive the notification from it, and it should appear right here. And once it appears, you can enable or disable the notifications for it by tapping on the switch, like that. And for the contacts, you can basically enable the notifications for every call and messages, or for calls and messages from everyone, or you can disable this option and select specific contacts on your iPhone to receive the notifications from. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself another message. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.